Equilibrium constant Kc for the equilibrium A changing into B and C is 0.45 at 200 degrees centigrade. 1 liter of a container contains 0.2 mole of A, 0.3 mole of B and 0.3 mole of C at equilibrium. Calculate the new equilibrium concentrations of A, B and C if the volume of the container is doubled and halved at 200 degrees centigrade. Now the temperature is constant. The temperature is 200 degrees centigrade. So when the volume is doubled or volume is halved, the value of Kc same rahegi, that is 0.45. First of all, when the volume is doubled, solving that part of the question, A changing into B and C. Equilibrium concentration है 0.2, 0.3, 0.3. अब ये तो मोल्स ऑफ ABC है, तो concentration के लिए dividing by volume. Initial volume is 1 liter. So divided by 1, divided by 1, divided by 1. This is the equilibrium concentration. तो Kc की जो वैल्यू आई, Kc is equal to 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 0.2 and this is equal to 0.45. This is given in the question. अब जब वॉल्यूम डबल कर देंगे तो क्या होगा? डबल ऑफ 1 is 2. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 2. तो ये जो भी मोल्स ऑफ A, B, C है दे विल गेट डिवाइडेड बाई 2. तो ये हो गई न्यू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ A, B and C. नाउ द रिएक्शन is not in equilibrium because the concentrations have changed. तो क्या होगा? This reaction has to reach equilibrium. Now either it will take place in the forward direction or in the reverse direction. Now to determine whether the reaction will take place in forward or reverse direction, we need to find out the reaction quotient, that is Q. अब Q की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Q की वैल्यू हो जाएगी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डिवाइडेड बाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. तो यहाँ पे 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड वी गेट दिस वैल्यू. अब इसमें 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 0.2, this is equal to 0.45. See, this is equal to the value of Kc. So we can write it as Q is equal to 0.45 divided by 2. Clearly, value of Q is less than Kc when the volume is doubled. Now to reach equilibrium, Q has to be equal to Kc. For that, the reaction will take place in the forward direction. Means some amount of A will change into B and C. So X moles of A changes to X moles of B and X moles of C. Now the new equilibrium concentration of A is 0.2 divided by 2 minus moles of A which change into B and C, और B and C का new equilibrium concentration हो जाएगा 0.3 divided by 2 plus moles of B formed, and equilibrium concentration of C will be 0.3 divided by 2 plus moles of C formed. So 0.2 divided by 2 हो गया 0.1, 0.3 divided by 2 हो गया 0.15 and 0.3 divided by 2 is equal to 0.15. So this is the new equilibrium concentration when the volume is doubled. Now putting the values, product of the concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactant is equal to 0.45. Solving this, the value of X is 0.0289. So equilibrium concentration of A, the new equilibrium concentration of A is 0.1 minus 0.0289, which is equal to 0.071 moles per liter or M. New equilibrium concentration of B is 0.15 plus 0.0289, which is approximately equal to 0.18 M, and new equilibrium concentration of C is 0.18 M because concentrations of B and C are equal, they are same according to the equation. Now when the volume is half, again this is the initial concentration of A, B and C. जब वॉल्यूम को हाफ करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में हाफ ऑफ 1 is half, तो ये हो जाएगा 0.4, 0.6, 0.6. So this is the new concentration of A, B and C, and again the reaction has to take place either in forward or reverse direction to attain equilibrium. अब Q की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So concentration of B multiplied by concentration of C divided by concentration of A, which is equal to 0.9. Now value of Q is greater than Kc. So the reaction will take place in the reverse direction. So some amount of B and C will change into A. Now out of 0.6 moles, X moles of B will react with X moles of C to form X moles of A. So equilibrium concentration of B will be initial concentration of B, that is 0.6, from which moles of B which changed into A will be subtracted. Then equilibrium concentration of C will be initial concentration of C minus moles of C which reacted with B to form A, and equilibrium concentration of A will be initial moles of A plus moles of A formed from B and C. Again, value of Kc will be equal to product of the concentration of products divided by concentration of reactant, and this is equal to 0.45. Solving this equation, value of X is 0.12 or it can be 1.53, but the correct value is 0.12 because value of X cannot be more than 0.6 because that is the concentration of B and C present. So amount of B and C which reacted to form A cannot exceed 0.6. So correct value of X will be 0.12. So equilibrium concentration of A will be 0.4 plus 0.12, which is equal to 0.52 m. Equilibrium concentration of B will be 0.6 minus 0.12, which is equal to 0.48 m. And equilibrium concentration of C will be, again it is same as B, so it is 0.48 m.